How to use Notion Gallery View feature. If you are on desktop application or the web browser itself, it is much more easier to access this feature. So you simply have to access the Notion in your browser and open your target page, then click on empty line and type /gallery and select Gallery View from the drop-down menu. Then click the plus new database in the right side setup menu or simply select existing data from the chart. Now, if you are on mobile device, just like me, you simply have to launch the application and then select any of the page that you want to add this gallery view on. Now, once you tap on any of these empty lines, you simply have to tap on the plus icon from your formatting toolbar and scroll down and select the gallery option. From here, you can also choose to add a new database or simply pull the existing database name. Now tap on any card square to open its page body and start typing text or uploading media. Hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, please do comment down below.